Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Almond in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games Launcher, and once you're in-game, press M on your keyboard, which will bring up your map, and then teleport to this location called Liyue Harbor. I've already teleported to this location, and then search for a general goods store, which is right over here. So the store's name is Second Life and the owner's name is Dongsheng. Go near it and then press F to interact, like so. Select the first option. So here are all the items sold in this general goods store. Scroll down until you find Almond, which is right over here. Click on it. As you can see, this item right here can only be found in general goods store in Liyue and Fontaine. So to purchase this, click on the purchase button on the bottom right side of your screen and adjust the quantity by using the slider right here. So the cost is 105 mora per almond. To purchase this, click on the purchase button right here and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!